Okay, welcome to another movie review. We're taking a look at a movie called Anna, a new one, and it's pretty good. I'd say it's kind of like a female John Wick. You got this girl who's your typical good-looking girl who starts out being a assassin. She goes undercover and does assassin things, and you got this old lady who's running her, and then you got a couple of dudes who she's playing off each other. And it's a pretty good movie. I mean, these kind of movies are either made for action or made for the plot. I'd say this one's a good mix of both. Kept me interested, and the plot was not an afterthought. So looks like it's in theaters now. It's got 6.8 out of 10. Not very many ratings yet. I think it's still because it's so new. I'd highly recommend. Well, I'd recommend it. It's worth watching. It's a nice alternative to your typical agent, sleeper agent type of movie, or undercover double agent, triple agent, quadruple agent. I don't know what to say. So let us know if you see this movie, what you think. We want to thank our Patreons who allow us to take the time to do fun stuff like this with our projects. Let us know what you think in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.